Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to change the styles of elements in JavaScript. So here in my HTML, I'm going to be changing the styles using a button click. And I'll just have two buttons so that each button click does something different. So let's say this will be button 1. And then we'll just have the second button with an ID of button 2. And then I'll just have text here. We can change the styles of this H1. And we'll also change the styles of the background. So here in my JavaScript, I need to make sure that I link to my JavaScript file. Okay, here in my JavaScript, I want to link, get the variables of each of these, the IDs of each of these elements into a variable. So I'll have heading, and then write the heading name. And I'll just do that for the same for button 1 and for button 2. Okay, so when I click on button 1, we can see on the right side that the buttons are showing. So when we click on button 1, in order to change the styles, so when I'm talking about styles, I'm talking about the CSS. So right now the heading has its default styling, and let's say we wanted to change the font size. We'll just say hello world. So let's say we wanted to change the font size of this when we click on button 1, so the left side. Just to make it easier, we'll just have click button 1 and click button 2. So when we click on button 1, we want the text to go bigger, and if we click on button 2, then we'll make the text back to its original size. So we want to get the element that we are changing the styles of, and then the keyword for here is .style. So now we're accessing the CSS properties that this heading element has. And for example, we wanted to change the font size. As we can see here, these are all the CSS properties that we can change. And let's say we want to change font size to something bigger, let's say 50 pixels. And then when we click on button 2, we'll make it smaller, which we'll just make 20 pixels. So if we look here, it increases in size, and if we look here, it decreases in size. So that's how you access the CSS properties. You can also change the actual background color. We'll just do another example, document.body. So you're accessing the body, and then to change the background color, you would again write .style, and then background color, and let's just say red, or let's make it blue. And again for button 2, we'll make it green. So if we look to the side, not only will our heading get bigger, but it will also turn blue when we click on this button. And if we click on button 2, it changes to our styles that we have set in the JavaScript. So that's how you would edit element CSS properties through JavaScript, and I hope you guys found that useful. Thanks for watching.